Welcome to Gbpcad weekly recap. We'll go over the best moves that happened during this week. Prices in this very rangy area on the daily, right? Here as well, we had the same behavior. So let's go through what happened from October 18th. Nothing interesting here. Price pushed up to this intraday resistance right here on the 18th, and then price rejected it. So market rejected it. Rejected this resistance right here, came down, and where did we come to? We came to a daily level, okay? So price pushed down to this daily level here. You see how candles close above it, right? Strong daily level, retest, there's a wick right there. Even here, if you go on further left, you'll see more daily price action at that level, okay? We had this level from before. So what we saw price do is, see, last time we broke it, we continued down to this area, which was this 4-hour demand level, right? So it is an area of price activity, look, retest before continuing up. So this is a key indicator that and then we saw that after breaking down, we failed to stay down, right? And let's go to the 1-hour chart. Gonna remove these, okay? So we see price pushes down, okay? Price pushes past daily support and then pushes up, and now it's just consolidating on top of daily support. Okay? If we were gonna go down, price would have to break past this low, retest, and then drop lower, right? But what happened was price instead just ranged above daily support, accumulated above daily support. So naturally, we knew that once it was gonna break out of this accumulation, this was just a higher low, right? This was a low, higher low, and then continuation up. So we can even draw the accumulation. See, once this accumulation broke up, we got a retest. It wasn't a perfect retest, but you can see that it was a higher low essentially, right? So we got double bottom, higher low, higher low, higher low after breaking out, and then boom. So this was, in my opinion, the best move of week. So if you enter on the higher low, this is something I have to keep in mind too, that although that wasn't a proper retest, it was still never the less proper market structure. Stop loss right below 13 pips, 130 pip move up here. And then obviously once it broke past this area, it was going to go up. And where did it go to? First, it went up to this daily level. So I had this level right here, right? Right there. So I had that level due to this price structure here, 4-hour, and then also this daily level. This daily level, I had it a bit higher over there, right? But when I look at it again, I can move it a little bit lower because there's candle bodies here. These retests, so it's generally within this price area, right? As you can see on these candles, like the candles closing above, right? So what we saw happen was price pushed up 300 pips. Although it broke above this market structure, it failed to remain above it, okay? And failed to remain above it while tapping into another higher time frame market structure. We tapped into it, and as you can see, London Open, I think, rejected that exactly, or pre-London. Rejected it exactly. Then we broke below this current market structure now, right? This one, last broken one. Broke below it, did a retested here. This was at 9 a.m. on the 22nd. First move was on the 21st. So the next day at New York, we got a retest. Where did we pull up to? We pulled up to this level, the FTR candle right here, right? And this minor level that was created. And if you see on 1 minute, that's actually, there's accumulation in that area. So it'll show you why we pulled up exactly to that level and why that's a minor level, because look, there's liquidity in this area. Price is consolidating, right? Accumulation, we pulled up back up to the accumulation area. So there's price activity here. Price retested it right at this level. So it's going to pull up. Plus we broke below the 4-hour structure and then move down, consolidate. Next day, make it down. So 22nd, 9 a.m. to Eastern to 6 a.m. So almost 24 hours later. But if you entered there, 15 pip stop loss, that's a 100 pip trade. Because level to level, right? And where's the next level? Next level was down here, this market structure. So 100 pips, 15 here too, 100 pips. 16 pip stop loss, 1 to 8 on this one, and 1 to 7 basically on that one. That is crazy. I missed the Gbpcad move, but it was clean, right? Because price, in order to push down, price would have had to break past this low and then continue down, right? But all price did was accumulate on top of daily support, right? It's like this, but instead, see, this broke down. Instead, price broke up, respected daily support. This is a low, this is a higher low, and then we pushed up straight to the next level. Could have taken first profit, take profit here, and then see, just kept pushing up 300 pips. That was ridiculous. All right, thanks for watching. 130, 109, so 240 pips essentially.